Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like this channel, and you can turn off the notification bell so you get notification from me when I drop new videos. So I have my ingredients all prepared out. The minced meat, you can get that any store near you, and you can make that at home with a grinder, and you can decide to chop it. So here now, my frying pan is heated and I'm adding vegetable oil to it. So I'll be adding diced onion and fry it for a bit before going in with my minced meat. Make sure you wash the minced meat very well to drain enough blood out of the meat. Fry the minced meat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it starts changing color and producing its own water. Then you add red pepper to it. Green pepper. Stir everything together. And you season it with seasoning cubes, salt, thyme, curry, and little dry grounded pepper. So mix everything together and add little water for it to boil until the meat is soft and tender. After bringing the meat to boil, then add some carrot to it, stir it together, add spring onions, stir everything together and leave the water to dry. Then the sauce is ready. So if you want to know how I made my paper for the samosa wrap, you can check the description box below. I'll be dropping the link there. So you pick one paper, cut it into 3. Now pick a side, fill the paper with enough sauce, not too much so it doesn't leak out. Now you form a triangle. Then you keep turning it to the edges of the paper until you get to the last part. Then you fold it and stick it together with a flour paste. And the flour paste is just adding flour and water together. So you can take it again, depending on how long or short the paper you are using is. The first thing you need to do is pick a side, then add fillings, form a triangle, then you keep turning it to the edges. Keep folding it to the edges until you get to the last part, then you glue it with the flour paste. But I'm sure if you watch this demonstration 2 to 3 times, you are going to get it right. So when you are done folding, you fry it until it's golden brown in your hot oil. And the samosa is ready to be served. So we'll be coming in soon with more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.